What a beautiful day. But it's the school day. Okay, class. Time to sing a song. Miss Holly had to get another one and... Sorry. Oh no, Tick had a cough. But don't worry, I will call the doctor.
Oh, the phone is ringing. Hello?
Hello, this is the teacher. My child is ill.
Don't panic. I'll be right there. What seems to be the problem?
I have a cough.
I see. Is your throat coughing or the scratchy coughing?
I don't know. Maybe have to go like this.
Oh, I see.
And then the teacher have singing all the song.
Oh, I guessed. Then why the coughing can be kind of cold?
And what do you mean, cold, doctor?
It's a cold. Then must be feel better. Then what are we going to do about coughing thing?
I need medicine.
But unfortunately, here's something to drink it. I'm afraid this doesn't taste very good.
Ew! It tastes like covered and jam full of jelly. Thank you, doctor.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, is Tick coughing isn't catching?
Doctor, Tim have a cough.
Open wide.
Ew, it tastes so sour and flowers.
Well done. Thank you for drinking the medicine, are you?
Did you never have to get ill, doctor?
No, maybe I'll never get ill because I will eat the apple all day. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm back.
Hey, Grandpa, I feel better. It was the doctor take care of his medicine, and perhaps the doctor had to give me some horrible medicine. Hey, excuse me, Saber, can you sing your song now? Of course, Tim. There's no reason happy little have to... Oh no, all the people have coughing.
Oh, the phone is ringing. Hello, doctor is speaking.
My name is Tick. All the people are ill.
Don't worry, Tick. I'm on my way. Hello, everybody. Coughing Tick cough, are you? Very good. Drink some medicine and drink it.
Ew. 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 It tastes like in a covered in yogurt sucks. Thank you for coughing. Have to take the medicine, doctor. Are you ill?
No, maybe after all these years, I'll never ill.
Oh no. Is the doctor have ill?
But don't worry. Bye-bye.
Poor doctor. But in perhaps we don't understand each other.
Who can that be?
Hello, we're here to rescue you. Here's your stuff. And some tissue. And here's your medicine.
It tastes like chubby yogurt flavored custom jelly.
You can have it a song. We'll make you feel better. What a song.